my dear first class children. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of chapter 3, addition up to 20. Addition. We putting two or more numbers together or putting two or more things together. Okay? After putting together we get a new number. That is called total. Addition means we are going to putting together. We get a new number. That new number is called total. The spelling of total is P-O-T-A-L. We are going to using the symbol plus. P-L-U-S plus. This is answer of addition. Symbol for addition. Addition means we are going to putting together. Two or more numbers or two or more things. Okay, Nana? Next, addition facts. Rules in the addition. When we add 0 to a number, we get, yes, number, same number. No change in the value. When we add 0 to a number, we get same number. Look at the numbers. 3 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 6, 0 plus 11, 13 plus 0, 16 plus 0. What is the answer? 1 digit number and 0. 3 plus 0. The answer does not change. We get the same number. Here given number is 3. Answer total also 3. How to read it? 3 plus 0 equal to 3. No change in the answer. We get the same number. Why? 0 means nothing. That is empty. Next 1 plus 0. We add 0 to 1. The answer is 1. 0 plus 6. We add 0 to a number. The answer is same number. The total is same number. 0 plus 11. Total is 11. 13 plus 0. Answer is 13. Total. 16 plus 0. 16. Okay. This is going to addition fact. Concept of 0. 3 plus 0. 3. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 11, 11. Suppose when we add 0, we get same number. Next one, when we add 1 to a number, the answer is next number of the given number. Next number means after number. Going forward. 5 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 10 plus 1, plus 1 plus 8, 14 plus 1. Here we add 1 to a number. Answer is, the total is after number of the given number. Given number is 5. 5 after 6. 1 plus 4. Here we add 1 to 4. What comes after 4? 5. 10 plus 1. What comes after 10? 11. 1 plus 8. What comes after 8? 9. 14 plus 1. What comes after 14? 15. Okay. This is going to addition of 1. We add 1 to a number. The answer is next number of the given number. 14 after 15. 1 plus 8. 8 after 9. 10 plus 1. 10 after 11. 1 plus 4. 4 after 5. 5 plus 1, 5 after 6. Okay? Next. Count the things and find the total. Count the things and find the total. Count and write the number. Count and write the number and find the total. And find the total. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5. Next go to here. 1, 2, 3. Write number 3. Here this is going to addition fact. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Now write two numbers one below the other. 5 plus 3. What is the answer? Now here 5 stars are there. Here 3 stars are there. Now we are going to putting together. That means count all the stars. What is the total number of stars? We get the total by counting all the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now using fingers also we are given things, pictures. We count all the pictures, write the answer. How to do addition using fingers? First number is 5. Take 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. 3 after. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Come on children. Show 2 fingers. 2. Yes. 1, 2. Show 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Show 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Come on, show 6 fingers. 6, 5 and 1, 6. 6, 5, 1, 6. 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Okay? Open fingers. Close fingers. Open, close. Now show again 4 fingers. 4. Yes, very good. Show 3 fingers. 3. Very good. Show 7 fingers. 7. Yes. 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. Show 9 fingers. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. Okay. Like that you look at the number and take fingers in your hand. Okay. How many fingers? One hand having 5. Another hand also 5. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. Next one. Count the bars and write the number and find the total of bars. Here given addition fact. Write the numbers one below the other and find the total. Come on, first count all the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. Write number 8. Now go to there. 1, 2. Write number 2. Here addition fact is 8 plus 2. Write 2 numbers one below the other. 8 plus 2. Now find the total. How do you get total? Total means all the bars. Count all the bars. Put together all the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. If you are using fingers, do like this. Take 8 fingers. Take 8 fingers. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Next one. These concepts all are finished in the previous classes. Next, find the second number, find the first number, or find the total. Solve. Solve means do addition. Do addition. See here. 3 plus dash equal to 6. How much we need to get 6? How much we add to 3? We get 6. We don't know the second number. How do you find out second number? Come on. Count up 3 after till we get 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3. That means second number is 3. The addition is 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Another one. We don't know the first number. Second number is 5. Total is 9. Find the first number. What should be added to 5? We get 9. What should be added to 5? We get 9. Okay na? 5 ki enta add cheste 9 ostundi. Come on. Start counting. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. What should be added to 5? 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Next one. 2 plus 6 equal to how much? Find the total. Yes, using fingers. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Here, see, observe. Here we are going to take fingers. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Find the total. But find the first number or find the second number. We start counting after the given number till we get total. Once again. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that means 4 plus 5, 9. Next, 3 plus 3, 6. How much we need here? 3. How do you get 3? We count 3 after till we get 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Okay, next one. Addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. On the number line, we are going to write the numbers with equal gaps. The number line starts from 0 to 10. This is going to single digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number line from 0 to 10. We are going to counting forward. Next numbers. See, the given addition is 5 plus 3. First, how many steps we are going to take? 5. How many? 5. 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. Start from 0 and go to 5. This is going to 5. Next number is 3. Now take 3 more steps after 5. 3 more steps after 5. 1, 2, 3. We should stop at 8. That means the total is 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is going to addition on number line. Okay. Next addition. This is going to single digit number. Answer also single digit number. Now I am going to show the addition on the number line up to 20. That means we are going to draw number line up to 15 or 20. That means go long. Starting number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Counting forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This number line goes to 0 to 15. 0 to 15. Now given addition goes 6 and 5 on the number line. Show the addition on the number line. 6 plus 5 show on the number line. What is the first number? 6. What is the first number? 6. Now we are going to move from 0 to 6. That means we are going to move right side number 0 to 6. Here is 6. Draw a line like this. This shows 6. Second number is 5. Again going to move right side. 6 after 5 numbers. 6 after 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop at 11. 11 is answer. Now again make a line, draw a line for 6 to 11. 6 after 5 steps. 6 after 5 steps we reach 11. 11 is answer. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. 11 is 2-digit number. 11 means 10 plus 1. 11 means 10 plus 1. 1 10 and 1 1. 1 10 and 1 1. This is going to addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. Suppose another example. Given addition goes to 7 plus 6. Do addition using number line. Here the given number line is 0 to 15. In the addition, what is the first number? 7. What is the first number? Begin from 0 and move 7 places. Begin from 0, move 7 places. That means reach 7 like this. This shows number 7. Again, go to 6 numbers after 7. Go to right side 6 numbers after 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reach 13. 13 is answer. 7 plus 6 equal to 13. 13 equal to 110 plus 3. 110 plus 3. 13 means 110 plus 3. Here this is going to 7. This is going to 6. 7 plus 6 equal to 13. This is addition on the number line. Next number. Again addition on the number line up to 20. Now draw the number line up to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers are in order. We didn't miss any number. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is going to number line from 0 to 20. The number line begins with 0, ending with 20. Now we are going to draw addition on the number line. See, 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. We show 12 plus 6 on the number line. First number is 12. Begins from 0 to 12. First step 0 to 12. Why? First number is 12. Come on. Here is 12. Here is 12. Make a line up to 12. Up to 12. Don't go too forward. Okay. This is first number. Number line on 12. 12 is on the number line. Next number is 6. Now move forward after 12 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 18 is answered. Second step goes to move like this. This shows 12 plus 6. This is 12. This is 6. What is the answer? 18. 12 plus 6 equal to 18. This is addition on the number line. Okay, number line means we start with 0 and write the numbers in order with equal gaps. Okay? First number is 12. That's why we take a line 0 to 12. Next number is 6. Next count the numbers 12 after 6 numbers after 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 18 is answer. Make a line again 12 to 18. Understood? This is going to addition of the number like 2-digit number plus 1-digit number. Total is 2-digit number. 1-digit number plus 2-digit number. Total is 2-digit number. Understood, my dear children? Okay, another one. Next one followed by adding 3 numbers. Adding means do addition. Adding 3 numbers. That is going to horizontally, vertically. Horizontally, sleeping line. Vertically, standing line. Horizontal line, vertical line. Horizontal line, vertical line. Horizontal line, we write that is going to sleeping line. Vertical line, standing line. Come on. First, I am going to take the numbers. The given addition goes to 2 plus 3 plus 1. This is the given addition. 3 numbers addition. First, second, third. 3 lines adding 3 numbers. First number, second number, third number. This here we are going to write the numbers vertically. Vertically means one below the other. This is going to horizontally. Horizontally means like sleeping line. Vertically means like standing line. How to do 3 numbers addition? See. First add these 2 numbers. First add first number and second number. We get total. Next go to third number. Ready now? Very easy. These all are going to ones. These all are going to ones. Single digit numbers. Vertically, horizontally. We add. In addition, given numbers add in any order, we get the same total. We get the same total. We can add numbers in any order. We get the same answer. That means vertically or horizontally, we add the given numbers. We get the same total. Come on. First add these 2 numbers. Ready? Come on. Take 2 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Again take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Very good. Again. Ready, my dear children? Ready? Hurry up, hurry up. Ready? Come on. First number is 2. Take 2 fingers. Second number is 3. 3 after. What should you say? 3 after 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Right answer 6. First we should add these 2 numbers. The sum is 5. 5 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Understood? Come to here. Here add these 2 numbers first. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Here sum is goes to 5. 5 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Okay. Suppose we are going to add like this also. We get the same total. First add these 2 numbers. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Take 1 finger. 3 after 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. This is going to, we can add numbers in any order. We get the same total. Understood? Like here to there or there to here, we get the same answer. Left to right or right to left, we add the given numbers. We get the same total. vertically or horizontally, we get the same total. Another example. This is going to adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 numbers. Adding 2 numbers means we are going to add one time only. Adding 3 numbers means adding 2 times. I show you. See. 4 plus 3. 2 numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 1. 3 numbers. Come on. 4 plus 3. Take 4 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 over addition. Now come to here. 3 lines means we are going to adding 2 times. First adding these 2 numbers. 2 and 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 1 finger. What is in the mind? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. First we are going to add these 2 numbers. We get 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Addition of 2 numbers. Addition of 3 numbers. Another one. Very easy. Next one. 8 plus 1 plus 3. Adding ones. That means 1 digit numbers. Another one. 4 plus 3 plus 5. These are also ones. 1 digit numbers. Come on my dear children. Ready? Start from here. Take 8 fingers. Big number. Take 8 fingers means we are going to take 8 fingers using 2 hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. Ready? You also taken? Very good. What is the second number? 1. 1 after. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. What is in the mind? 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? What is the total? 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. 1, 10, 2 ones. Here we get tens place number also. Then here we are going to keep ones and tens. 12. 1, 10 plus 2 ones. 12 means 1, 10 plus 2 ones. 10 plus 2. Now come to here. 4 plus 3 plus 5. First add these 2 numbers. 4 and 3. Take 4 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also we get 2 digit number. Then change the places. Ones place, tens place. What is the total? 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. 1, 10, 2 ones. Adding 3 numbers. Another addition. Very easy my dear children. Don't confusing. By practice you get perfection. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Find the totals. Find the totals. Adding 3 numbers. 3 numbers are given. First add first number and second number. We get sum. Add third number to that sum. See how? Take 2 fingers. 2 fingers. 3 after. Look at the number. 3 after. 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. Third number. 4 fingers. What is in the mind? 5. When we add these 2 numbers, we get 5. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is total. Okay? Now going to here. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Add first these 2 numbers. Take 5 fingers. 2 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? 5 plus 2 plus 3, 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3, 7. By practicing you get perfection, then don't mark like this, okay? We continue in the next class also adding 3 numbers, very easy. Can I show you another example? Adding 3 numbers. Come on children. 6 plus 1 plus 3. 6 plus 1 plus 3. 5 plus 3 plus 4. Come on. First adding these 2 numbers. 6 plus 1. Yes. 6 plus 1. 6 after 7. 7 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Once again. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. You have to follow like this. First add these 2 numbers. Keep that sum in the mind. Again take third number. Count after the sum. 6 plus 1, 7. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Come to here. First add these 2 numbers. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is 2-digit number. Okay. This is going to add in 3 numbers. Okay my dear children. You practice in your homework book 2 lines. Single digit numbers 2 lines. Okay. Adding 2 numbers. Adding 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Ask your mother and she given work. You practice in your homework book. Those are like this. Adding 2 numbers and adding 2-digit number and 1-digit number. My dear children, and learn table of 4. And learn table of 4. 4 table. Okay children. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.